I'm going to be showing you how to get good relics in Honkai Star Rail. So to get good relics in Honkai Star Rail, you must focus on the following strategies. So you must complete the story and world exploration. So the main story and side quests are primarily source of relics. As you advance to the game, you'll unlock higher tier relic sets. You can also try world exploration. You can explore the game world to find relic fragments and complete challenges that reward relics. Try participating in events. Many events offer relic awards. Keep an eye on the event calendar and participate in time-limited activities. You also have the relic shop in the game where you can purchase relics using in-game currencies, completing daily challenges. And in all these methods, you can successfully get good relics in Honkai Star Rail. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.